Back on the USDJPY, I'm not looking for upside here, but if you are, it's broken this trend. It's broken this structure here. Now it's pulling back. If it breaks this, you could break the top. But I'm not going to take that. I'm looking for downside. But at the same time, if you were looking for downside and you saw that big daily candle, not sure I would be looking for downside there. I like it on the 4-hour chart. US oil, we're at the bottom of this wave here. It's oversold on the 4-hour. There's your nice signal candle, but it happened on a Friday, so be careful. You might get this trade up a little further. Gold, silver, nice 4-hour, 1-hour pullback, but it's happening off the 4-hour EMA. Breaks this top, go up, breaks this bottom, go down. Pretty simple. Gold, same deal. Indecision off the EMA on the 4-hour. Approach it like the silver trade. Down, breaks this, up.